baby bird? Are you hungry? You are hungry? Yeah? Okay, here you go. There you go. Is that good, baby bird? Do you want some more? Some more? 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 Okay, there you go, baby bird. Whoops, sorry, made a mess. Okay, there we go, baby bird. Okay, ready, baby bird? Do you want more? Okay, wait, let's wipe your chin here. There we go. Hold on. Say cheese. Say cheese. There you go. Wait, I made a mess of you. Should we pet you? Oh, baby bird. Oh, baby bird. See, I painted you blue like a little bluebird so that I can tell you apart from all the other birdies. Right, baby bird? Yeah? You think so? What do you think? Here you go. Oh my goodness. You getting full yet? You getting full yet? There's more. Need to wipe your chin again? There you go. More? Whoops. So what do you say, baby bird? Are you getting full yet? Baby bird? Are you getting full yet? No? No? Come to me? Come on, up. Come on. Come on, baby bird. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Hello, camera. I'm baby bird. I call mama. Here we go. You ready? More? You want more? You're the best fed bird in the neighborhood, aren't you? You sure are. Is that good yet? Is that good yet? And still more? There we go. Should I pet you some more? Say, oh, nice baby bird. Nice baby bird. Yeah. Here comes Xena. There goes baby bird. Off to the tree. And here comes Simba. From his adventure to the big old tree. That's right. There's my garden. There's Xena. Hi, Xena. Xena. Hi, Xena.